Modern age, our world spins on a wheel greased with petroleum. It powers our vehicles, feeds our industries, and fills the pockets of economies across the globe. Yet, beneath the glossy surface of progress lies a hidden cost, one that our Earth is silently paying. Every day, oil rigs plunge into the earth, extracting millions of barrels of crude oil. Forests are cleared, oceans poisoned with spills, and the air thickened with the black smoke of combustion. The relentless hunger for fossil fuels has taken a toll on our planet's lungs, veins, and the very soul. The world stands at a tipping point as nature gasps for breath under the weight of human ambition. What if the very thing we often discard as trash could become a solution? What if plastic, one of the most pressing environmental threats of our time, could transform into a powerful ally? Welcome to the extraordinary world of plastics to diesel technology, where STEM turns waste into wonder. Using a scientific process called pyrolysis, plastic waste, especially types like polyethylene, polypropylene, and polyester, is broken down into usable fuel. This process involves heating shredded plastic in the absence of oxygen, which prevents it from burning and instead causes the material to decompose into vapor. These vapors are then cooled and condensed into synthetic or crude oil. This crude oil is not the end, but a beginning. It is further distilled into diesel fuel that can be used to power generators, vehicles, and industrial machinery. In fact, 1 kilogram of plastic can yield nearly 1 liter of diesel. Not only does this offer an alternative to extracting crude oil from deep within the earth, but it also provides a meaningful solution to the 300 million tons of plastic waste the world produces every year. Communities across the globe are beginning to tap into this wonder. In parts of Malaysia, small-scale pyrolysis plants are emerging, turning plastic waste into fuel while educating local communities on the value of sustainable technology. In remote India, this fuel is used in stoves, giving families a much cleaner alternative to wood or kerosene. Within the education system in Africa, students are taught how STEM can solve real-world problems right from their classrooms to the wider world. This is the essence of STEM, not just science, technology, engineering, and math, but storytelling, solution building, and saving the future. It's about curiosity colliding with compassion, innovation intertwining with imagination. Through technologies like plastic pyrolysis, we are reminded that every bottle, in every bag, or every piece of forgotten plastic holds not just the burden of pollution, but also the potential for transformation. What once polluted our oceans might one day power our cities. What once threatened wildlife might soon fuel innovation. This is not science fiction. This is science reimagined. As we look ahead, the choice is ours. Will we continue down the path of extraction and extinction, or will we embrace a world where waste is not the end, but a new beginning? STEM gives us the tools, nature gives us the reason, wonder gives us the courage. Let's not just learn from the but listen to it, and in doing so, discover that the most extraordinary adventures often begin in the most unexpected places, even in a pile of plastic waste.